Hi everyone, welcome to week 3 of our class. We're at the halfway point. Um, there were a few of you that were not able to hand in your week 2 assignments. Please know that they have to be received by Wednesday at midnight in order to receive partial credit. That late assignments in week 2 through 5 will be allowed to be turned in the following week until midnight on Wednesday, and there is a 30% late deduction. If you ever run into a situation where you run up against something and you find out about it early in the week and you know you're going to be having some difficulties, please reach out to me so we can have a conversation and see if we can come up with an alternate plan for you to getting your work in. So the other thing I wanted to comment on is to please make sure that you use APA format for all of your written assignments. That includes having a cover page and also having a reference page and in-text citations. For every reference that you use, you should have at least one in-text citation to show me how you used that reference in your work and where the ideas came from. Also, there were, I think, 2 people this week that had difficulty with the links for the assignment. Please make sure that you check all the links in the module at the beginning of the week to avoid getting to Saturday and not being able to complete your work because the link isn't working for you. The majority of people were absolutely able to access the link, so there must be some kind of a system thing, and we can always work something out to get you access to the materials, I hope, or you can speak with IT to see if there's a system requirement or something that you may be missing to access some of the assignments. So again, please check all the links at the beginning of the week so we can make sure that you can get access to your assignments. So for this week, we're going to be looking at hearing and visual impairments, as well as physical disabilities and some health disabilities. We're going to look, as we have with other disabilities, at the history and background. And we're going to continue with that thread where we're going to be thinking about inclusion and what are the responsible inclusive practices that you can think of that go with those particular disabilities that we're looking at. So you're going to continue in your textbook and read chapters 12 and 13. There are videos also for you to watch, and I think there are 2 of them. And then we're going to discuss meaningful inclusion. And your assignment this week is an exam. I don't give lots of exams, but in this course I do give 2 of them. Those of you that are going on for any kind of certifications, whether it be for teaching or in OT or becoming a PA, you will have to take some exams. So it is important to get a little bit of practice in on that. So we do take that opportunity in this class. Know that the exams are not timed and they are open book. They're tough exams, but all of the answers really are there in your text, and you can take as long as you need to look things up and to review your material to answer them. They are multiple choice, and there are some short answer. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You're going to need to be able to make sure the links to the case study and a continuum of services are able to open for you in order for you to take the exam. So again, check all the links, make sure you can watch all the videos, you can access all of the materials, and what I will do is after I grade the exams, I keep track of if there is a question that there's a common misunderstanding with, or if a lot of people got the same question wrong, and I will go over the whole exam in my announcement for week 4. So you will have that. Again, if you need to get a hold of me, please feel free to reach out. I did have a couple of people attend my little synchronous session about IDEA and Section 504. Thanks. It was really nice to get to meet you in sort of, I guess, in person virtually, meet you, I guess, synchronously at the same time instead of at, posting to each other. If there are any things that come up in the next few weeks, if you ever want to do another one of those kind of synchronous sessions, if you think that there's something people aren't understanding, we can certainly do that. We could even try that after the exam. I can send out a doodle poll if people are interested, and we can set up a synchronous session that works well for everyone to go over the exam together. So let me know if you have any thoughts on that. Otherwise, have a great week 3. Looking forward to our ongoing discussions, and take care.